Okay, so now it's basically part 2. Gonna try to open up this box and see what it looks like on the inside. So I'm mainly restoring this for my teacher, but when I was going to take it home, he said that he wouldn't mind if I did not give it back to him, but so I might be keeping it, might not be, but if he doesn't want it once I'm done restoring it, then I'll see about doing so. These are really stubborn. Oh, there we go. Probably going to spray paint it tomorrow. This time it's just doing checks and washing. Whatever. Should be good enough. Now, how to open this? I might actually need to take out these screws. Let's see if I can use this. Definitely. Ow. Really hard to get off. So these things are definitely built to last. There's a chance though that aren't supposed to. This is what the thing looks like, that there. In case if any of you wanted to know. I'm gonna probably try a bit more. Ah, there we go. This big old seal on it. That's why it was so hard. Wow. So this is what it looks like inside. It's supposed to work, I guess. There's a tiny motor. Let's see what's inside of here. Whole bunch of stuff. Got the fuse. Here's where the time is supposed to be, but it broke off. I think that part right there is supposed to like attach it to like a system if you are using them. So yeah, pretty simple. It's practically just a little motor that makes the stringer go up and down. I want to know is will it work if I put it on and try it. No. Too confusing. So yeah, that's another positive negative thing. So yeah, this is what it looks like inside one of these things apparently. I wonder how loud this is if I bang it like this. You can notice that there's a bit of chipped paint right there. It's really hard to imitate that ringer, but that's pretty much it. And I'll see you on some other day, I guess. So bye for now, and I hope you have enjoyed this restoration. So